Hi there. When I searched the web, I found this video titled Google Veo 3 free tutorial 2005. Go to general video and with Veo 3 free step by step. I think it's really interesting that we as most of the people are interested about Veo 3 and it's free to use. I watched the full video and go to the site. It's recommended to me what tweakai.co, and when I click on go as per his video, I go in the bottom and search this looks same, and when I generated a prompt using ChatGPT to check does it works or not, and when I click it's working. It seems it's working, and yeah, it seems it's working. But unfortunately a new Windows come. Okay, here account verification, a new user, enter username, choose username. Here I use a username when I click it and click verify, it brings cheating happens here. Account verification required. Please complete 2 free verification steps to unlock unlimited access to Veo 3i video generation. This is one-time verification, prevents automated abuse and ensures system stability. This guys is a cheater. These all are CPA offer. He is scamming with us, okay, with our sentiments. How we love. Look where it goes. It's participate in a survey. It's a CPO offer, and it will ask your information, I mean mobile number, phone number, and sometimes CPO offer ask to subscribe and ask to offer some important information. So don't put your information there and stay away from this site. This is a scam, okay. This guy is a scam because this video is a scammer's video, because as we cannot generate the video, but he can generate video. That means this proves this guy is the owner of this site, and this guy is cheating with all of us, okay. So be safe and stay away from this video. If you have any question, never hesitate to ask me, and if you don't subscribe to my channel already, please subscribe it and press the like button. Hope this warning will be helpful for you, and don't ever import any of your information in the tweakai.co website. Thank you very much.